So this is preparation of alcohols. Uh, Preparation of alcohol is by three methods from alkenes. The first one is from alkenes. So see this here. Number one, that is from alkenes. And this preparation has two parts. The first part is by acid catalyzed hydration. Acid catalyzed hydration. So before writing the reaction, write a statement for this. Okay. So the statement for this will be that acid catalyzed hydration. Hydration is the reaction with water. Reaction of alkenes is water. So alkenes react with water in the presence of an acid, and the acid will act as a catalyst. Then an alcohol will be formed. Okay. So this what happens? An alkene reacts with water in the presence of an acid. To form an alcohol. So the alkene is CC double bond. This is the general reaction. You can see that the alkene reacts with water in the presence of an acid. Okay. Then an alcohol is formed. So the corresponding alcohol of the alkene will be formed, and that is C double bond C. This bond will be broken, and here H, and यहाँ पर एक H लगेगा, and here it is OH. Okay, so you can see that, and if this is ethene, then an ethanol is formed. Okay, so this is from alkene we can form alcohols. The topic is preparation of alcohols. So the first point in this, the first method is from alkenes. From alkenes, how can we form alcohols? So the first part is by acid catalyzed hydration. Catalyzed hydration. Okay. Now the second one is, you can see the second one is by hydroboration oxidation. Hydroboration oxidation. It is also from alkenes. How can we form alcohol? So the second point here is, the second method from alkene is, the second method is hydroboration oxidation. The statement for this, write the statement, that is that diborane reacts with alkenes. Diborane BH3 whole 2. Diborane reacts with alkenes to give trialkyl boranes, and that trialkyl borane is oxidized to form alcohol by hydrogen peroxide. But this happens, that oxidation happens in the presence of sodium hydroxide. Okay, aqueous sodium hydroxide. So see the reaction. First write the statement. That statement is that diborane, that is BS3 2, okay, diborane reacts with alkenes to give trialkyl bromides. And this trialkyl bromide, I will write like this, which oxidizes by hydrogen peroxide H2O2 in the presence of, you can see the clearly, in the presence of sodium hydroxide. That is sodium hydroxide, aqueous sodium hydroxide. There is aqueous sodium hydroxide, aqueous NaOH, to form an alcohol. Okay, so this is the statement. I will read it. That diborane reacts with alkene to form trialkyl bromide, which is oxidized by hydrogen peroxide H2O2. H2O2 is hydrogen peroxide. In the presence of, this happens in the presence of what? Aqueous NaOH, and then an alcohol is formed. So what will be the reaction? See the reaction for this. Okay, what is the reaction for this? We are taking example. Say we can take propane. This is propane. This is CH3 CH double bond CH2. This is propane, and propane reacts with diborane. Diborane is BS3 whole 2. So when this reaction occurs, what happens? You see here. This bond breaks, and a hydrogen from BS3 is attached here, and the BS2 will be attached here. Okay. Then what will be formed? CH3 CH, bond is broken. You can see the bond is broken. So here एक H यहाँ add होगा, the other BH2 will be added here. Okay, so this is propyl borane. Okay, this is propyl borane. In this product, if we will again add a propane molecule, propene, CH3 CH double bond CH2, then what will happen? This is formed. There are two molecules, dipropyl will be formed. That is CH3 CH2 and CH2, and here it will be BH. This is formed. This is what, and this is 2 times. This is what? Dipropyl borane. And if we will again add a propene molecule, again we will add a propene molecule on it, then what will happen? Then tripropyl borane will be formed. CH3 CH2 CH2 3B. So tripropyl borane will be formed. So स्टेटमेंट पढ़ने पे पता चलेगा कि फर्स्ट डाइबोरेन reacts with the alkene and a trialkyl borane is formed. Okay, So trialkyl borane is formed. Now what happens next? It is oxidized. It is oxidized in the presence of H2O2 and oxidized by H2O2 in the presence of aqueous sodium hydroxide. So you can see here the next part, the oxidation part. This was hydrogenation, oxidation. You can see oxidation. What happens? The product was CH3, CH2, CH2, that is whole to B, and it reacts with H2O by H2O2, and this happens in the presence of what? NaOH, means a base. So you can write here NaOH also. You write all these things here, and these are the, okay, can you see here? So what will be formed? Then propanol will be formed. CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. So propanol will be formed. This is propanol. Here you can see this is tribromal. This is tripropyl borane, and tripropyl borane reacts with 3 molecules of H2O2. So what